Yo, what's going on, guys? Are you looking for some movies and TV shows? Are you looking for one app that'll show you movies, TV shows, live TV, and sports? Thousands and thousands of channels, thousands of movies, thousands of TV shows. I have one app that are better than anything that you see on the screen behind me. Listen, check this out. Follow along. I will show you the best app, the one app that you could use on your Amazon Fire TV stick that you didn't know existed. I'm Lee. I'm here to help you with all your Amazon Fire TV stick needs with tips and tricks and a bunch of how-tos. Check out the video, check out the videos in between. In order to get this awesome application, we just have to come down to the little find icon and pull down, and in the search menu, we're going to type in one word, downloader. D-O. I've just typed in D-O and it's already come up, downloader. You may have to type the entire word, D-O-W-N, loader, all one word. So highlight downloader, click on it. We need to install this application because it gives us the ability to sideload applications onto our Fire Stick. As in it lets us install apps not through the App Store. So this orange icon, we can just select it. And here it says, I already own it. You may not, so just get it, download it. It'll automatically install onto your device. Takes a few moments. So we can just pause the video right here if you need to. Now it says open app. We're not going to open it quite yet. We have one option to change that enables Downloader to be able to install applications through it. So let's hit the home button. And we can come all the way over to here to our settings option. And under settings, we can just pull down one. Here I have my Fire TV listed. You may not. It may be down here, or it may say my device. That's okay. It's all kind of the same thing. So we'll click on my Fire TV. And now I have developer options listed on my device. And if you don't, no worries. We can get it on your device in just a second. If we highlight about, click on it, and then have Fire TV stick, yours may say 4K or something different. We just use the center button on our remote and click it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And mine says no need, you're already a developer. And now yours says congratulations, you are now a developer. Okay, now that we have developer options enabled, before we go back, let's come down and we can check for updates. Make sure our device is up to date with the latest and greatest software. Listen, if you don't want to do this because you're worried that maybe something's going to interfere with it, no worries at all. Just an FYI. Some apps might not work with older software, just to let you know. So click the check for updates. It says check now. It says we're up to date as of September 7th. So we can back out one. Now highlight developer options. So here we have ADB debugging. We can just turn it on. Some applications that you may want to install will need that on. And now for the downloader part, install unknown apps. So this might also say install from unknown sources. It might just be on and off right here. Or, so enable it or turn it on. Or click inside and then look for downloader. You may have more than one or two applications in this list. That's okay. Look for downloader, click on it, and turn it on. This enables Downloader to install applications outside of the Amazon App Store. Let's head back to the home screen, and we can look for Downloader. Here, with the 3 squares plus sign symbol, it's our apps and games section. We can click on it and find Downloader. Now that it's loaded up, we have Downloader here selected. Now if we use our 3-line button on our remote, it brings up an options menu here. We have move to the front, more info, offload, or uninstall. So if we actually hit move to the front, it'll put us up in this top bar, which is like our shortcuts menu in our home screen. So now if we go to the home, hit the home button to our home screen, Now it's up front and center within our home screen, little shortcut menu for us to use. And guys, if I'm going too quick, just hit the pause button. May help out just in case. Now here, highlight downloader and click on it. Allow downloader to access photos, media, and files on our device, so allow. Here's a quick welcome start guide. We can click OK. And then here, downloader acts just like a web browser. So we can enter any URL like https://ledbytheunknown.com, or I have a short code for you, and it's so much quicker. So we can hit select on the go, select in the search area, and here it brings up a keyboard, and we can just type in 370178, and then come down and we can highlight, go, and select it. This will send it right to the Led by the Unknown's website. There is a short 5-second redirect. Over here, guys, please share this with a friend. I'm pretty sure you know somebody who would love to get an app like this to get movies, TV shows, live TV. If you're into sports, you can get that on there too. So this comes up to the downloads page. And again, if you use the 3-line button, it gives us a new option menu. We can favorite this like a bookmark. So we can add current page to favorites. We can save it. And here in the far left, you can highlight favorites. And then here has downloads. You can click on the downloads and it automatically brings it up. No more redirect, no more worrying about to figure out what that code was or typing out the entire URL. On this page, we have some videos, some other tutorials, content I'm sure you'd like to check out. But today, one app that covers everything you want on your Amazon Fire TV stick. We can just head down. If there's anything I ever suggest, guys, is getting yourself a good, reliable VPN. Take out your phone, scan this QR code, sign up for IPVanish today, get yourself up to 80% off. This secures your online activity, keeps all your data private, make sure that you can geolocate yourself for other areas. You never know when there's a restriction. Just in case if stuff goes black, you're able to use the VPN in order to watch your favorite content. Further down, updates, best apps for 2025. Here's the best apps for movies, TV shows. One app does it all right here. Flicks. We can just highlight it, select it. I need to fuzz this out for you for my privacy reasons. We can head down. And here we have a blue button we can click on to install the application onto our device. The application is going to want to install itself. Down here in the bottom right, after the staging is done, we can hit install. And then once the application is installed, down here we can highlight done. Don't open the file quite yet, as we need to delete the installation file, as we no longer need it taking up space on our device. So delete. And here, guys, you can just hit the little X button and get out of the little pop-ups. Or join our email list. Trust me, you won't want to miss those. So we can back to the download section. And there are other apps that'll get us movies and TV shows, like Cinema. It's an oldie, but a great one. Same thing. Come down to the little blue button to install it onto our device. Again, guys, share this with a friend. It helps out tremendously. Down on the bottom right, hit install. Once the application is done installing, here, once it's done installing, we can hit done. Delete the installation file. Delete. Back out one. We can try like on stream, and there are a bunch of other applications to check out. Down on the bottom right, install, and then we hit done. And you catch my drift. Delete the installation file. Don't want it taking up room on our device. Now let's go to the home screen. Let's see where these applications ended up. Again, we can go to the 3 squares plus sign. We'll highlight it, select on it. And just like downloaded, the last file we've downloaded ends up at the bottom of our list. So we can always just kind of select with a 3-line button, move to the front, select with our 3-line button, move to the front, select with our 3-line button, move to the front. And when we go back to the home screen, we got all our apps ready to go, front and center, better than anything else that you could have seen on this device. Check out the other videos. Check out this one if you're looking for sports. Week 1's over. Week 2's just coming up. Take care. Happy streaming. Peace.